Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am Amita ma'am and today we are going to learn one new number in maths. We already learned numbers 0 to 16. So first let us revise them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14,
15, 16.
After number 16, which number will come? Yes, number 17. Number 17. 1 7, 17. 17 means 17 objects. So, let us learn number 17 by counting some objects.
Let us count this ice cream sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1 7 17. 17 sticks. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Here we have some colorful chalks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. 1 7 17. 17 chalks.
Today we will write number 17 in our maths classwork book, page number 77.
We have to write classwork book page number 77. Now we have to write number 17. But first we have to write today's date 7 dash 12 dash 2020. 7th December 2020. T O. T means tens, O means ones. 1 we have to write under T and 7 we have to write under O. Let's start. Start from the center, standing line, touch the bottom line. Start from the center, sleeping line, slant line, touch the bottom line, 1 7 17. Start from the center, touch the bottom line 1, sleeping line, slant line, touch the bottom line, 1 7 17. Again, start from the center, standing line 1, sleeping line, slant line, touch the bottom line, 7 1 7 17. 1 7 17. Standing line, sleeping line, slant line, 1 7 17. 1 7 17. Make a standing line, touch the bottom line, sleeping line, slant line, touch the bottom line, 1 7 17. Again 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. Standing line, touch the bottom line, sleeping line, slant line, touch the bottom line, 1 7 17. Standing line, 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. In this way, you have to complete your page. You have to complete number 17 in homework book, page number 22.
That's it for today, kids. Take care. Bye.